Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can post on Capcut without posting on TikTok. So first step, you need to search for the Capcut, click on that and wait for a few seconds so that we can remove this ad. So okay, click here, wait another 5 seconds. I do not know why it is showing ads two time. Okay, so now we are going to click on cross again. Okay, and now this is a project that I'm working on, and once I done, I simply need to click on export. So it took few seconds to export. Okay, now it is done. Then you need to click on other, and here you can see an option of CapCut. So you simply need to click here, edit in CapCut, import, remove background in CapCut, retouch. Here you can see upload to CapCut space. So you simply need to click on that, and then your project will be uploaded on CapCut. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.